My gosh. This is really crazy, guys. What? No, I'm not going to show the license plate.
Why not?
Is it okay if I do?
What are you showing it
YouTube. I don't know how. Guys, okay, I'm just going to get below the license plate. Right there. Look. It's a freaking wide body. This is one of my favorite cars.
This is one of your favorite cars?
Mhm.
What is it?
It's a Nissan Skyline, I think. Whoa, look! This is memory foam. Right there.
Don't touch the car.
It's so cool. Oh, it's a Nismo.
That's not foam, baby. That's metal. Don't touch it.
I'm not.
Don't even get close to it. Move away from it.
It's a Nismo.
I see it. I don't know what a Nismo is.
Nissan Nismo. Oh my gosh, guys, that's crazy. I was just playing. Ooh, a package.
That's a laptop for Jim. Take it inside the door.
Dang it! I'm leaving it out here. Well, that was YouTube worthy. Oh my gosh, that was awesome. Alright, well, anyways, I want to see.
Don't put the license tag out unless you can wear it.
I didn't put the license tag in it. Oh my gosh. I was just playing Rocket League right here and I looked outside and I saw that. Oh my gosh! Yeah! Oh my gosh, I gotta go show my friend. Yeah, that's about it for this episode. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.